This is a film showing graceful jumbo jet 747 freighters coming and going during an airport layover. Despite the end of the production of the Boeing 747, the freighter versions will continue to fly for years to come and carry on the legacy of the Queen of the Skies. The Boeing 747 was manufactured for 54 years between 1968 and 2022, with 1,574 aircraft being built. The 747 is a four-engine jet aircraft that was designed from the get-go to be convertible to a freighter airplane, with the final version having a maximum payload capacity of 154 tons of cargo.
I used to be based up here. I should have never left, but
Oh, you liked it up here?
I liked it. Women don't like it here.
You went hunting and fishing, or what was the...
Yeah, and plus it's smaller. You know, it's a long winter though.
Yeah.
Apart from the passenger jets and the Boeing 747 freighters coming and going, there were other interesting aircraft types on the move. Since the start of the Russia-Ukraine war, Atlas Air and Kalitta Air 747 freighters have been flying U.S. munitions for Ukraine to Poland. Watching the magnificent 747 freighters come and go was a great way to pass the time during a stopover.
Take me somewhere nice, to some tired island in your heart called paradise.
If you enjoyed this film, please subscribe and like. There are many more similar films available on my channel.